Hey kids! Welcome to our channel, where we make technology super fun and easy to understand. Today, we're diving into something super cool and all around us, the Internet of Things, or IoT for short. Are you ready? Let's go! First things first, what is IoT? Imagine if all your toys, gadgets, and even your clothes could talk to each other. Cool, right? That's what the Internet of Things is all about. IoT is when everyday objects like your fridge, your watch, and even your lights can connect to the Internet and communicate with each other. The Internet of Things describes the network of physical objects, things, that are embedded with sensors, software, and other technologies for the purpose of connecting and exchanging data with other devices and systems over the Internet. So, how does this all work? IoT works by using the Internet to connect different gadgets. These gadgets have tiny computers called microcontrollers inside them, just like the ones we talked about in our previous videos. IoT systems are the same in that they represent the integration of four distinct components, sensors or devices. First, sensors or devices collect data from their environment. This data could be as simple as a temperature reading or as complex as a full video feed. Connectivity, that data is sent to the cloud, but it needs a way to get there. Through a variety of methods including cellular, satellite, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, low-power wide-area networks, connecting through a gateway or router or connecting directly to the Internet, data is sent to the cloud. Data processing, once the data gets to the cloud, software performs some kind of processing on it. This could be very simple, such as checking that the temperature reading is within an acceptable range. Or it could also be very complex, such as using computer vision on video to identify objects. User interface, the information is made useful to the end user in some way. This could be an alert to the user, for example, a text alert when the temperature is too high in the company's cold storage. IoT in your home, did you know you might already have IoT devices at home? Let's take a look around. Smart speakers, like Alexa or Google Home, are great examples. They can play your favorite music, tell you the weather, and even control other smart devices like lights and thermostats. IoT in the world, IoT isn't just in our homes, it's everywhere. In cities, IoT helps with things like traffic lights, making sure they change at the right time to keep cars moving smoothly. In factories, IoT helps machines talk to each other. Sensors track everything, making sure all parts move smoothly and products are made faster. IoT can detect problems before they happen, keeping workers safe. IoT makes escalators smarter too. Sensors detect when someone steps on, saving energy by only running when needed. The future of IoT is limitless. Imagine cities where everything is connected, from traffic lights to public transport, making our lives safer and more efficient. The possibilities are endless, and you can be a part of it. IoT is important because it makes our lives easier and more convenient. It helps us save energy, stay healthy, and even have more fun with smart toys and games. We're excited to introduce you to our IoT course designed especially for kids. At Saras Robotics, we believe that the Internet of Things, IoT, is a gateway to endless possibilities and creativity. Ready to become an IoT wizard? Enroll in the IoT course at Saras Robotics and embark on a journey filled with discovery, innovation, and fun. Together, we'll explore the wonders of IoT and make the world a smarter place, one project at a time. Thanks for exploring the amazing world of IoT with us. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech adventures. See you next time, till then stay curious and keep exploring.